Enterprise commerce systems rarely start rigid. They become rigid. Whether it's one giant monolith or dozens of SaaS services stitched together, over time they ossify into something no one can safely change. What keeps a system alive and adaptable isn't the parts you choose. It's the principles that govern how they fit. Virto rebuilt commerce around those guardrails, from its smallest particle up. It starts with atoms, the core principles and guardrails every lasting system needs. Small, proven, unbreakable. Atoms bond into molecules. Focused capabilities. Each does one job and does it perfectly. Molecules combine into cells, complete business functions, ready out of the box. And cells come together as a living organism, your commerce solution, exactly as your customers experience it. The result is a system built to stay adaptable for years. You assemble instead of rebuild, launch faster, change without fear, pay only for what you use, and never get locked in. Virto Atomic Architecture. Composable by nature, limitless by design.